We ask that you keep your seatbelt fastened while the seatbelt sign is on, and for your comfort and safety, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, and please keep the aisle free at all times to allow other customers and crew to pass by freely. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin. All are fitted with smoke detectors. Smoking is not permitted on board at any time, and this includes the use of e-cigarettes and vapes. When using the toilet facilities, please ensure that there is no more than 2 people queuing to avoid congestion in the galley and aisle areas. If you need to open the overhead lockers, please take care in case anything has moved during the takeoff and count all out.